Picture a bustling city, its skyline shimmering with wealth and opportunity. But beneath this glittering facade, a silent force is at work, eroding the very foundation of prosperity. Inflation, the invisible thief, quietly siphons away your purchasing power. It's not just numbers on a page. It's the hidden cost of living that slowly tightens its grip on your life. In 1979, inflation in the United States hit a staggering 13.3%, a figure that sent shockwaves throughout the economy. It was a year marked by uncertainty and fear. The wealthy, with their assets hedged, weathered the storm. But for the average citizen, every dollar felt lighter, every paycheck stretched thinner. This economic phenomenon isn't just a relic of the past. In 2021, the world watched as inflation rates surged again, fueled by a global pandemic and unprecedented monetary policies. Central banks, the arbiters of monetary stability, face a daunting task: raise interest rates too quickly and risk stifling growth. Move too slowly and inflation runs rampant. But who truly benefits from this delicate dance? Those with the means to invest in assets like real estate and stocks find shelter from inflation's storm. Meanwhile, those reliant on fixed incomes like retirees find themselves caught in a vicious cycle of diminishing returns and rising costs. As inflation creeps into every corner of the economy, it raises a critical question. What happens when the cost of living outpaces our ability to earn? History has shown us the dire consequences of unchecked inflation. In 1923, Germany's hyperinflation turned currency into wallpaper, a stark reminder of economic instability. Today's global economy, interconnected and complex, presents new challenges. The stakes are higher, the outcomes more uncertain. As we navigate these turbulent waters, understanding inflation isn't just an academic exercise. It's a survival skill, one that could determine your financial future. Economists warn of a world where inflation spirals out of control, leading to societal unrest. The ripple effects could be catastrophic, sparking political upheaval and economic collapse. Countries like Venezuela have already experienced the chaos of hyperinflation. In 2018, the inflation rate reached an astronomical 1 million%, plunging millions into poverty. But inflation doesn't just destroy local economies, it destabilizes global markets. As currencies weaken, trade wars loom, and alliances fracture under economic strain. Consider the Eurozone, where differing inflation rates threaten the union's stability. The fragile balance between member states is constantly tested by economic disparities. The IMF and World Bank, institutions designed to mitigate such crises, often find themselves at the center of controversy. Their policies, while intended to stabilize, can sometimes exacerbate inequalities. As inflation persists, the gap between rich and poor widens. Wealthy individuals and corporations adapt, while those without assets struggle to keep pace. What does this mean for the future? Experts predict a world where technology could either bridge the gap or deepen the divide, depending on who controls the innovation. Cryptocurrencies offer an alternative, a decentralized escape from traditional financial systems. Yet they too are not immune to the ebbs and flows of inflationary pressures. Investors worldwide seek refuge in safe havens like gold, a timeless hedge against inflation. But even gold, with its historical value, can't guarantee security in an unpredictable world. The fabric of our financial systems is being tested. As inflation continues to challenge our economic norms, adaptability becomes the cornerstone of survival. For individuals, the lesson is clear. Diversify, stay informed, and anticipate change. In the volatile landscape of inflation, those who prepare stand the best chance of preserving their wealth. Ultimately, inflation teaches us about the delicate balance of economies. It's a reminder that nothing remains static, and the future belongs to those who can foresee the tides of change. As we close this chapter, remember, the true power lies not in predicting every twist of inflation, but in understanding its profound impact on our world. Subscribe to support our journey.